London, a bustling metropolis teeming with life. Join me, dear viewer, as we uncover the hidden gems and iconic landmarks that make London truly special. So, fasten your seatbelts and prepare to be amazed as we delve into the heart of this remarkable city. Our journey begins in the hallowed halls of the British Museum, a treasure trove of human history and culture. Imagine holding in your hand a piece of pottery crafted millennia ago, or gazing upon the Rosetta Stone, its inscription unlocking the secrets of ancient Egypt. The museum's collection is a testament to the ingenuity and artistry of civilizations across the globe. From the exquisite sculptures of the Parthenon to the haunting beauty of the Benin bronzes, each artifact whispers tales of bygone eras. The British Museum is a bridge between past and present, a reminder of the enduring power of human creativity and our shared heritage. So come, let us delve into this treasure trove of knowledge and embark on a journey of discovery. Our next stop takes us to the imposing Tower of London, a fortress that has borne witness to centuries of British history. For almost 1,000 years it has stood on the banks of the River Thames, its ancient stones whispering tales of power, intrigue and tragedy. The tower has served many roles throughout its long history: a royal palace, a prison, a treasury, even a zoo. Feel the weight of history as you stand on Tower Green, the site of many executions, including that of Anne Boleyn. But perhaps the tower's most dazzling treasures are the crown jewels, a breathtaking display of priceless diamonds, rubies and sapphires. Today, the tower is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a testament to its enduring significance. As you explore its towers and dungeons, be sure to listen for the echoes of the past, for the Tower of London has many stories to tell. Our journey now leads us to Buckingham Palace, the official residence of the reigning monarch and an enduring symbol of British sovereignty. The palace has been the official residence of the British monarch since 1837 and has witnessed countless historical events. One of the most iconic spectacles associated with Buckingham Palace is the changing of the guard ceremony. Observe the precision and pageantry of the Queen's Guard as they march in their scarlet tunics and bearskin hats, a tradition that dates back centuries. Buckingham Palace stands as a symbol of continuity and tradition, a reminder of the enduring legacy of the British monarchy. Now we ascend to dizzying heights as we make our way to the Shard, Western Europe's tallest skyscraper. From its lofty observation deck, London unfolds in a breathtaking panorama. As you gaze out at the cityscape, iconic landmarks such as Tower Bridge, the London Eye, and St. Paul's Cathedral appear as miniature models. Within its sleek glass facade, you'll find a variety of restaurants and bars, each offering a unique dining experience. Whether you're seeking a romantic evening out or simply want to experience London from a new perspective, the Shard is an experience not to be missed. So join me as we ride the high-speed elevators to the top of the Shard and marvel at the urban tapestry spread out before us. Our next destination takes us on a leisurely spin aboard the London Eye, a giant Ferris wheel that has become a symbol of modern London. Step into one of its glass capsules and feel the anticipation build as you gently lift off the ground, the city spreading out beneath you like a three-dimensional map. As you ascend, the familiar landmarks of London take on a new perspective. The River Thames, a silvery ribbon winding its way through the heart of the city, reflects the changing colours of the sky. The London Eye offers a unique opportunity to appreciate the sheer scale and diversity of this incredible city. The London Eye is more than just a ride. It's an invitation to see London with fresh eyes, to appreciate its beauty from a new perspective and to create lasting memories. Prepare to immerse yourselves in the sights, sounds and smells of Camden Market, a vibrant melting pot of cultures and a haven for alternative fashion, music and art. Imagine strolling through a labyrinth of stalls, each one bursting with unique and eclectic wares. Let your senses be ignited by the aromas of street food from around the world, each bite a culinary adventure. Camden Market is a feast for the senses, from the vibrant street art that adorns its walls to the sound of buskers filling the air with music. Get lost in the maze of stalls, each one a treasure trove of unique finds. Camden Market is a place where you can truly express yourself, discover hidden gems, and experience the city's vibrant alternative culture. Our next adventure takes us on a journey through time at the Natural History Museum, a magnificent cathedral dedicated to the wonders of the natural world. Imagine standing beneath the skeleton of a blue whale, its immense size a testament to the power and majesty of nature. From towering dinosaurs to delicate butterflies, the museum's vast collection showcases the incredible diversity of life on Earth. Step into the world of dinosaurs where you'll come face to face with a towering T-Rex and other prehistoric giants. Let the museum's interactive exhibits ignite your curiosity and deepen your appreciation for the natural world. And don't forget to marvel at the building itself, a masterpiece of Victorian architecture. The Natural History Museum is a place where science and wonder collide, inspiring visitors of all ages to learn about the planet we call home. Let us now immerse ourselves in the world of modern and contemporary art at the Tate Modern, a gallery housed in a former power station that has become a symbol of London's artistic spirit. Imagine standing before a masterpiece by Picasso, Matisse or Warhol, their brushstrokes seeming to come alive before your very eyes. Explore the gallery's vast collection, which spans a wide range of artistic movements from Impressionism to pop art. Engage with the installations and performance art, pushing the boundaries of traditional artistic expression. The Tate Modern is a place where you can engage with some of the most influential artists of the 20th and 21st centuries. And don't miss the view from the top floor, which offers a panoramic vista of the city, reminding us of the connection between art and the urban landscape. The Tate Modern is a testament to the power of art to inspire, challenge and provoke, making it a must-visit for any art enthusiast. As evening descends upon London, let us make our way to the West End, the city's theatrical heart, and home to some of the world's most celebrated musicals and plays. Imagine the anticipation building as the lights dim and the curtain rises, revealing a world of music, drama, and spectacle. From long-running classics like Les Miserables and The Phantom of the Opera to cutting-edge new productions, the West End offers a theatrical experience for every taste. Lose yourself in the stories, the music, and the performances that have captivated audiences for generations. The talent on display is simply breathtaking, with performers pouring their hearts and souls into every song and every line. A trip to the West End is an unforgettable experience, a chance to immerse yourself in the magic of live theatre. Our final destination takes us to Hyde Park, a sprawling green oasis in the heart of London, a sanctuary from the hustle and bustle of city life. Imagine strolling through its leafy avenues, the sun dappling through the trees and feeling a sense of tranquility wash over you. Hyde Park is a place where you can escape the urban jungle and reconnect with nature. Rent a rowboat and enjoy a leisurely paddle on the Serpentine Lake, its tranquil waters reflecting the surrounding greenery. Stroll through its sprawling meadows, frequented by picnicking families and sunbathers, a testament to the park's role as London's communal backyard. Hyde Park is a place where you can relax, unwind, and soak up the beauty of nature. Our journey through London, a city that wears its history and modernity with equal grace, has come to an end. From the grandeur of Buckingham Palace to the tranquil beauty of Hyde Park, London has revealed its many facets, leaving an indelible mark on our memories. So whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned Londoner, there's always something new to discover in this extraordinary city. Until our next adventure, keep exploring, keep wondering, and keep embracing the spirit of discovery that London ignites within us all.